I never would have thought that publishing a book was possible.
My role is to be a midwife for writers. It's just been wonderful to watch them blossom.
This collaboration with all these incredible creative people has solidified my desire to be a writer and my passion to be a writer.
There is a magic, as the others have said. It's almost spooky how we enjoy one another so much and get together and have a real degree of trust. There's no competition between any of us. We all feel very invested in one another's work.
There's a lot of good that comes out of children's books.
I've always been concerned about the stigma of children being held back, and so by coming here and working on a manuscript about that, maybe helping to take that stigma away.
I'm a pediatrician by trade. That's my day job. I see lots of things that I think need books, but I sometimes struggle to find the right books for these kids.
The words make a difference, and they have to be clear and concise, and words can change how things get interpreted and how people see the world.
It's just been this very freeing, great experience.
Like Hollins has always been for me, a great place to come back and continue growing.
Hollins is where magic happens.